morning, community. Today's date is the 5th of May and this is Crypto Helper back again with another video. And now we're going to discuss Elrond. Now, I was in Elrond before it turned to Elrond Gold, and if you look when I done my video, this was a year ago now, this was my price prediction and staking tutorial. Now Elrond's evolved a lot over that year, and now we've got the DeFi space, we've got the Maiar exchange that it's running, and there's a lot of stuff going on. So I just want to jump in and show you what I'm doing and what you could be doing in the farming space. Now I'm into DeFi massively on different blockchains, but today's specific topic is going to be about Elrond and how you can profit from it. So guys, before we get started, if you could like the video, that would be great. If you could hit the subscribe button, that would be even better, so when I do these other videos you'll get them as well. And just to let you all aware that the wealth builder continues tomorrow. If you don't know, wealth builders is just a simple strategy to dollar cost average every week and putting $20 or £20 into the certain coin that I choose every week, and we'll build up from there. So I've started from week 1, week 2, and then week 3 will be tomorrow, where I'll be putting a video, and if you go on my playlist it'll be under the wealth builder waiting, and you can follow along and join in. But for now, let's get back to the topic and jump straight in. Let's jump on to Elrond. So this is the Elrond wallet, and I bought Elrond before it went into Elrond Gold, and I had to change the tokens over to Elrond Gold, but I totally forgot about it, to be honest. And when I swapped them over, I thought, oh, I've got quite a bit. So what I did is I started, because you can stake and you can delegate, so I got onto the delegate dashboard and I put all my Elrond into the delegation, earning up to 14. Now this was up to 16-17% I believe, but obviously as more money's flooded into the ecosystem, obviously their APYs are slowly reducing, which is understandable. But so I'm on the total delegation, I've got 19.3 Elrond Gold, and when I was delegating, I've claimed them now, but I've earned up to 3 Elrond Gold. Now when we look at Egld, I'll just have a quick show on CoinGecko where we were at. Now Elrond Gold, Elrond was quite up high, so I just want to quickly show you guys. Now we're still in the top 40, but from its all times high, just see over the last year when we were doing this video. So just like everything else round about, well, this was November, it hit its highs, just $500, and we've been bottoming right out. So we're bottoming right out round about these accumulation areas, bottom out, and obviously with the price of the market and the Fed's sort of base point increase yesterday, I think the outlook of the market could be even better for an extended alt run. So not financial advice, but this is what I think. So we've still got a lot from its all-time highs. Look, it's like thousands of percents off. That was its all-time low, $6.51, all-time high 500. So sorry, 74% off. So there's a lot of room for growth. And now with the exchanges, the DeFi spaces, the farming that's happening on an Elrond network, it's something to get excited about. So this is my stake. So what I was doing is from my delegate, and I was just earning. So sorry guys, I'll just go back on. So every time this was going up to like half Ethereum gold, Elrond Gold, sorry, I was claiming it, and I was just going in to stake it. But the staking was 12.8%, which is not too bad, but I wanted it to work more. So it takes 9 days to withdraw, and this is the only thing that I don't like about this. So with any Elrond, if you're delegating or if you're staking it, when you withdraw it, it takes 9 days to come out of the pool. So that's a little bit of a bummer, because I like to just have things instantly there. It's a learning curve. So what I'll be doing now is, so this, just say 3 Elrond Gold, this will be going into my Maiar exchange farming. So this is Maiar .exchange, it goes on to farms. You just link your Maiar account, and this is how we go farming. Like you see, you swap half your Elrond. So if you've got 300 Elrond, you would do 50-50 swap. So I would swap my Elrond Gold for the Maiar, Now the MEX token just stands for Maiar Exchange, and as you can see, the price is very low at the moment. Now this is a good 2 to 3 year hold for me anyway, so I'm accumulating as much as I can before this starts evolving, before big institutions start flooding in, and this is what gets me excited with that price. So you would just do a 50-50 split, then you would go into liquidity, you would add your liquidity, and you would max that out, max them out there, and then you would go looking for the pools. So what I've done is, I'm into the MEX and Elrond Gold LP token. So basically I've put 50-50, I've added liquidity, and now I'm ready to go into the pool, which I already am now. So I just done a few testers the other day, and there's my investment there. I think it was one Elrond Gold, because I have to wait to get the rest out of my Elrond wallet down here. So when I finalise that withdrawal in 6 days, I'll be jumping into this, and I'll be adding me three Elrond into the MEX and Elrond Gold liquidity pool, and this is what I'll be earning. So you can lock them up and you get a higher rate, or you can get the 25%, which is much better than the 12% that I'm getting on there. So it's pretty much double, and you're earning the MEX token, which is a Maiar Exchange. So if you're bullish like I am on the MEX token on the long term, this is just a great place to let it build and just let it go like this. And if that's not all that you want, you can also stake the MEX token, and that is up here on meta bonding. But the thing with meta bonding, these tokens will be locked up. So I done a withdrawal just to test it. So it was 2,800 MEX tokens. These are locked MEX tokens, sorry. And what I've done is I staked them, and I think these are locked up. As you can see, locked MEX. These are locked up for a certain period of time. I don't know if it's a year or 2 year. I know if you want to move fast and you want to change things, it's not that good. But you don't have to lock your MEX up. You can just keep it in the form by just doing this. So the MEX and gold, and all you could do is just harvest the rewards, and you could swap it back to Elrond Gold if you want. But like I say, I'm quite bullish on the MEX token. I like the ecosystem, I like what they're building, and I like the especially the price at the moment down here at the bottom. It seems to have bottomed out. Hopefully it has bottomed out. And when you look at the market cap, the 3 billion, it's nothing compared to what's flooding into the other markets, the likes of Luna and other market caps like that. But this is a good, strong, long-term hold, 3 to 5 years, in my opinion. This could do really well. The Maiar Exchange token could do very, very well. And I'm going to take use of this 113% at the moment before more money floods in, because then it might start diluting and come down. Just the other day, this Ethereum token, which was introduced maybe a few weeks ago, this was up at like 500%, and it's come down quickly. So it does fluctuate, but this has been steady, the MEX Egld token, for a while now, and this just shows you how it's calculated. So the locked rewards, the base APR, the annual percentile return, the fees and stuff like that, annual percentile yield, and it tells you when you go over them what it is, the multiplier and all that type of stuff. So it's pretty interesting, and I'm pretty excited on the MEX token, me personally. I don't know about you guys. What's your thoughts? Are you bullish on the MEX token, or do you think that it's just the same as the other tokens, where it can sort of just fade away? This is, like I say, this is the main exchange token for Ethereum Gold. So in my eyes, this can definitely, it's got room for growth. It can definitely 10x from here for certain. And I'm just, like you see, I'm just riding it up. And if you want, you could just swap these for Elrond Gold and go back in and harvest, or you can simply just lock up your locks MEX token and earn 83%. So your MEX that you earn, so just say 4,000, you can swap and do a 50-50. So you could say that was 4,000 for simple terms. You could swap 2,000 into lock MEX, put that into the liquidity pool for MEX in lock MEX, and earn 83%. And it does it all for you, instead of after a few days just keep reinvesting it and compounding it. And it's so simple as that. And that's what I'll probably do. I don't know if because I haven't got $10 worth, you see, but once that does hit the $10, I could harvest it all. And I think that's exactly what I'm going to do next. That's my next strategy. So when it hits $10, I'm going to harvest all. Harvest all means just collect your rewards. And then I'm going to go up to here and I'm going to swap. And all I'll do is I'll swap my Mex token for... There should be locked Mex somewhere along here. Anyways, I'll figure it out. This is an ongoing process. But this is the farm I want to be in as well. So my stake Mex. That's what I want. So is it stake Mex, lock Mex? But anyways, I'll be jumping into this. This is just a quick little overview. This is the latest on Twitter. I like being on Twitter on Elrond. So there's a few people to follow. And there was some nice photos going on, but I kind of seem to find them. There was some data somewhere, but it means flicking through, and I don't want to waste all your time as much as possible. I just want to show you the quick overview. Obviously the NFT space as well, which is seem to be flying. But yeah, this is just on Twitter on Elrond. There was some data, but I can't find it. But either way, we've got the basics out the way. Like I say, guys, I'm just here to give you tips. I'm here to show you how to create wealth organically by not rushing things and trying to chase all the shiny objects. People call it shiny object syndromes. So we're at 264 at the moment. When we get to 300, I'll be doing a giveaway like I did at the 200. I'll probably give away some crypto or something like that, just to thank you guys for jumping in and subscribing and listening to what I'm trying to do here by building up a community that's got the same interests as me. So from the video a year ago, we have evolved, and it is positive outlook for Elrond and the exchanges and the DeFi spaces and the DEXs, the decentralized exchanges. So this is a good place to be. Now we've got 1.2 billion locked up, and this one Mex at whatever the price is there, I can't even see it, it's that low. This will climb at some point, and that's why I want to be in early and take away these rewards and sort of build up for the future. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you hit the subscribe button, I'd be even more better, just so you get the videos when I come out every day and dish you these videos out. But other than that, guys, have a great weekend, and I'll see you all in the next video.